Hello and welcome to APA Formatting in Word Online from the Los Angeles Southwest College Library. This video is going to show you how to format your student papers according to the 7th edition of the APA Style Guide using Word Online. As an LACCD student, you have free access to the Office 365 Pro, which includes Word Online. You can access this resource through the student portal. Let's start by going to the college's webpage, which is www.lasc.edu. From the homepage of the college, click on Student Faculty Portal. Enter your student ID number and your password, then click on Sign In. Locate and click on the Mail Outlook tile. Click on Yes. From the left Buttons menu, locate and click on the blue W for Word Online. Click on New Blank Document. First, start by giving your document a name so that you can find it easily later. From the top blue bar, click on Document and give your document a relevant name. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Next, let's check on the margins. From the menu bar, go to Layout, then click on Margins, and select the 1-inch all-around margins. 1 inch from the top, bottom, left, and right. Now, let's set up the page numbering on the top right corner of every one of your pages. Click on the Insert menu, then click on Page Numbers, then select the top right option. This configures the page numbers on the top right corner of every one of your pages. To change the page numbers to the recommended font name and size, go ahead and highlight this configuration, then go to the Home tab, and from the Font Name menu, select Times New Roman, and from the Font Size menu, select 12. Then to exit the header to continue working on your paper, press the Escape key on your keyboard. Now let's set up the title page. Before we start typing all of the elements for the title page, we need to set up the font for the rest of the document and set up the double line spacing. Let's set up the font first. From the Home tab, select Times New Roman from the Font Name menu and select Size 12 from the Font Size menu. To set up the double line spacing, still in the Home tab, click on the ... or the ellipsis for more options. Then select Paragraph Options. In the spacing area, select 0 for before and 0 for after. For line spacing, select double and click on OK. With the cursor still at the top of the page, press the Enter key on your keyboard 3 times. The first element in your title page is the title of your essay or the title of your research paper. It needs to be aligned to the center and it needs to be set in bold. So we're going to align it first to the center. Still in the Home tab, go to the Text Alignment options and select Center. Next, we're going to click on the B for bold and type the title of your essay. Next, I'm going to turn off the bold feature because nothing else in the cover sheet or the title page needs to be in bold. To turn off that feature, I'm going to click on the B again. Press the Enter key twice on your keyboard. 1, 2. Next, type your first and last name. Press Enter. Then type the college name followed by any other requirements from your professor. This could be the professor's name, course, name, and date. For this example, I'm going to start by listing the department and the college name. Press enter. Next, I'm going to type in the course name and number. Then press enter. Type your professor's name. Press enter. Then type in the date of when the project is due in month, day, and year. After you finish entering all of the requirements on your title page, you're ready to begin your essay on the next page. From your title page, insert a page break by going to the Insert tab and click on Page Break. My cursor is now on page number 2. And on the first line of page number 2, I need to re-enter the title of my essay, and it needs to be centered and it needs to be in bold. So from the Home tab, I'm going to turn on the bold feature. My alignment is still centered. Next, I'm going to type the title of my essay. Next, I am going to turn off the bold feature by clicking on the B again, and I'm going to press the Enter key. Next, I need to move my cursor to the left margin, and I'm going to do so still in the Home tab. I'm going to go back to Text Alignment and select Left Alignment. Press the Tab key on your keyboard to indent your first paragraph and start typing your essay. Finish typing your essay. After your last paragraph, insert a page break to set up the references list on a new page. From the Insert tab, click on Page Break. On the first line of this new page, we need to type the word references in bold and aligned to the center. Pay attention to the location of your cursor. If the cursor has a paragraph indentation, just press the backspace key on your keyboard to align it to the left margin. From the Home tab, click on Text Alignment and select Center Alignment. Then click on the B for bold and type the word references. Click on the B for bold again to deactivate the bold function. Press enter. Next, align the cursor to the left margin. From the Home tab, click on Text Alignment and select Align Left. Before we start typing our citations, let's set up the hanging indentations. From the Home tab, click on the ... or the ellipsis for more options. Click on Paragraph Options. Make sure that spacing is still set to 0 before, 0 after, and that line spacing still set to double. In the indentation area, go to the Special menu and select Hanging. Then click on OK. Then you can begin to type your citations from scratch. Notice that all of the citations are in alphabetical order and that they all have a hanging indentation and double line spacing. If you use citation tools to create citations, you can copy and paste them into your document. Just be sure to correct any errors it may have in the citations and fix any formatting errors before you submit the assignment. You can find more information about APA style by navigating to our website. Start by going to the college's homepage, which is www.lasc.edu. Scroll down, click on Library. From the library's landing page, scroll down, and from the left navigation menu, click on Library Home. Once you're inside any of the library's web pages, you can always find our top navigation bar. Click on Citation. Click on the APA 7th edition tab. Here you can find formatting rules and guidelines and recommendations. You can also find examples for most commonly used sources. The examples contain explanations and a key that you can follow along. If you have any further questions, you can always connect with one of your librarians via chat, text, email, or use our other resources from our webpage. Remember to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you for watching our video.